Hello everyone! Today we're diving deeper into another captivating subject that's making significant waves in the realm of health and wellness. This topic holds the potential to substantially impact how we support our bodies in battling off infections. We've got an exciting discussion in store, specifically focusing on the powerful connection between autophagy and a robust immune system. You might have encountered the term autophagy in the past, and you might have been a little confused by its definition. At its core, it's essentially your body's dynamic internal cleaning crew. It's akin to a cellular recycling program that's always at work, aiming to clean up and maintain optimal cellular health and function. All right, how does this fascinating topic relate to the immune system? Well, it's a rather intricate link. When your body encounters an infection or something suspicious, your immune cells are immediately put on high alert. But it's more than just an automatic response. Your body relies heavily on the autophagy process to destroy any pathogens or damaged cells. This process is absolutely crucial in maintaining a healthy, robust immune system. Now, what connects this topic to the immune system? It's an enchanting, complex connection. When your body uncovers an infection, your immune system responds by swarming to the site of the problem. Once there, this fine-tuned system works hand in hand with the autophagy process to eliminate any pathogens. Furthermore, by systematically destroying damaged cellular material, your autophagy process ensures that a potent immune response is always in place. It's as if your immune system is given a fresh sheet of paper to work with, making it more effective and quick response-oriented. The real thrill lies in the fact that we can actively promote autophagy through our daily choices, not just by skipping meals altogether. Although research is still underway, there are certain activities that have shown promise in helping our bodies to develop this natural defense mechanism even more. One of the most well-studied of these activities is the practice of intermittent fasting. By consciously timing your meals to fall within specific windows, you can signal your body to initiate the autophagy process. It's not about going crazy with food deprivation, but rather about carefully strategic meal planning to facilitate this restorative process. A wholesome diet that is loaded with antioxidants is also a cornerstone of living a healthy lifestyle. Foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts supply the essential building blocks and support your cells need to effectively execute the autophagy process. Additionally, regular exercise is a must-have. Physical activity has been shown to induce autophagy in various body tissues, all contributing to overall cellular health and resilience. Lastly, a quality sleep cycle is a must. During sleep, your body undergoes substantial repair and regeneration, including the crucial role of autophagy in the process. By appreciating and embracing these native processes, we can actually empower our bodies to build a stronger, more resilient immune system. This approach fundamentally emphasizes working with your body's innate intelligence, rather than against it. By doing so, it offers a gentle yet profound way to enhance both your natural defenses and to feel more vibrant, healthy, and protected than ever before. Thank you so much for joining me today for a deeper exploration into the extraordinary world of autophagy and its impact on our immune health. If you found this information to be enlightening and valuable, please consider following for even more insights into practicing natural wellness and how to live your healthiest life.